Ever wondered about the benefits of Alarsin Aloes Compound Tablets? Well, we're here to shed some light on this Ayurvedic marvel. These non-hormonal tablets are known for naturally regulating ovulation and assisting with infertility issues, all with minimal side effects. Stay tuned to discover the magic behind these tablets. So, what makes these tablets so unique and beneficial? Well, the magic lies in the ingredients. The Alarsin Aloes Compound. Tablets are packed with nature's finest. The primary component, aloe, is known for its healing and soothing properties. It's not just a plant, it's a wonder of nature that has been used for centuries in Ayurveda to maintain a healthy menstrual cycle. Now let's talk about another ingredient, amla. This superfruit is rich in antioxidants and helps to detoxify the body, playing an essential role in regulating ovulation. The tablets also contain ashoka, a plant highly revered in Ayurveda for its potent health benefits. It's known for its ability to balance hormones, which can aid in the regulation of menstrual cycles and improve overall reproductive health. But the list doesn't end here. The Alarsin Aloes Compound. Tablets also include other beneficial ingredients that work together to bolster the effectiveness of the product. Impressive, isn't it? But remember, the right dosage is key to reaping these benefits. Now, let's talk precautions and dosage. It's vital to stop using Alarsin Aloes Compound Tablets and seek medical guidance if you suspect a pregnancy. The recommended dosage can fluctuate based on the condition under treatment. Remember, a healthy lifestyle complements the effectiveness of these tablets. Wondering where to get these tablets or need professional advice? Look no further, as Ayurveda for All offers online consultations with eminent Ayurvedic professional, Dr. Rajesh Nair. Alarsin Aloes Compound. Tablets are available for worldwide delivery through ayurvedaforall.com and ayurvedaforall.co.uk. Get your tablets today and start your journey to better health. There you have it, the secret behind Alarsin Aloes Compound Tablets, a natural non-hormonal remedy with minimal side effects that can aid in regulating ovulation. Remember, for any specific advice, consult Dr. Rajesh Nair through Ayurveda for All. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, stay healthy.